Hi, hello everyone. I'm Xin Han, and today I'm going to show you the demo of my search engine. So before I talk about search engine, first let's talk about how we grab the news or body or text from the website. So here I used the soup. So this is a package that allowed us to grab things from according to the URL. And so here here is five website. I'm going to grab the text from it. It's all from the BBC News. So if you are using different websites, so probably the selection part will be different, depends on their own design. So then after we read the get the URL, then we grab all the art bodies or articles or news from the website, then we will write it down to here. The name of the file should be the title of the news, and the body of it should be the title and the body. So let's show how the search engine works. Let's run it. Okay, so here it says like you're going to load the article, which is load from this this folder, and then it says loading complete. Then you can enter a stream which you want to do the search. So first, for example, let's search for air. Then you can see there are three parts. First is air has appeared how many times. So the word you type appear in which article for how many times. And here, this part is just for testing, and it will say the total times this all the words in your input have appeared in the article. For example, there because the input is only just one word, so it'll be the totally same with it. And according to this one, the total times, we will most recommends the most relative article to you, and because it appeared four times, then it's this one. And for example, let's see if I type airport. So for airport, you see like so every because news I search is based on the airport, so it all based on it's all about the airport. So in every news they have airports, and it's the same, and they'll give you the most relative one. And if we type air and airport, then you'll first separately show each word how many times it appeared. Then you see the total time should be the addition of this to our, for example, for this one air appeared once, and here this airport appeared twice. So in total, it appears three times. So after this, then it will tell you the most relative one is this one, because all the words appeared for 11 times. And then let's see what if we type some word is not exist. See, it will say we is not in any articles, and didn't find any article related to all of these words you type. So because this word is not a word, or these words didn't appear in the article, so it will tell you it's not in the article, and it will says it's not because we didn't find it in the dictionary try, then then it will says it's not relative to any articles. And what if we type we and air? So you only show this word is not in the article, but the rest is the air is in. So like this still will recommend something for you. And let's try. What if we type something like multiple space and even add some symbol, then add another words or something. airport. So you'll see it's the same result as if I just type air and space and airport. Because like in the code, we separate. So in the code, we separate the article by this pattern. So that means all the symbol and number will be is this part. All the symbol and number will be, a split. And only because there's a difference between these two parts, because here we allowed you to type 0, because you'll see here it says 0 to stop. And let's just try other things first. So what if we just type some random stuff and no words at all? Then you says your input is not available, because the things you type there after filtered there is no word at all. So it says it's invalid. What if we just type a space? You'll say the same thing, you see. And what if we just type the enter? Okay, probably you cannot see from here. So let's type something else first. Yeah. Then we just type the enter. Then you see it says your input is invaluable too. Okay. And at the end, let's type 0. Let's see what will happen. Yes, it stopped. Okay, so that's all of the demo. And at the end of demo, I want to show something about my structure. The first is my try. Try includes the node, which includes the root, which is node, and I will introduce a node later. And then we'll have a map. This is like for me to easily label the articles, because you see I have 5 articles, and each time when you add the article into the try, then you'll give it it'll give it a label. So for example, for the first one, if the first one you add is this one, then it will return an integer which is 0, because it will return 1. So you can say you can call it ID or something. This article's ID is 1. So later it's more easy for me to find the name of the article. And during the whole processing, I can only just use this ID to process everything. So that's more convenient. Then you will have size. And for the try, we have few things. First is add articles, and I told you the ID is a size plus 1. So because the size begin with 0, so but I want ID begin from the 1, and then you just set keeps the article into the map, and then you call the add words, because now the article have already put in the maps, and you just want to put every words in article into the try. And yeah, and then you'll have a rebuild, because after we put all of this all of this 5, because here I got 5. If you got more, then you will put all of the text file from articles. You'll put all of the articles into this try. The reason I rebuild it, because before I rebuild it, it's a first standard try, but then I want to rebuild it into the compressed try. Then you can see I'll call rebuild. Then let me show you the node. So the node I design includes the value. First, the value at the beginning, as a standard try, it will only be 1 character. But like after the rebuild, which is compressed, it will become a string. It could be a string. So and then for here we got articles, which is how so in this part it will include you will have 2 integer array which only have size 2. The first one is ID of the article, and the second one it should be the times it appeared in this word appeared time in this article, and then you have list of node, which is their children. So the other thing is just like add things into the tray, but like the thing I want to mention is about the rebuild. Because the rebuild when children the condition is when the children's size is 1 and you don't have any articles. That means this is not words, and then we will just like add your we'll just like union the parents and their only child together, then put the child's article becomes the parents' article, and child's children become parents' children, and that's it. Okay, this is everything I want to tell in the demo. Thanks for listening.